me introduce you to Miss February. This mega course is packed with over 16 hours of instructional video, featuring concept made specifically for this course by Justin Rodrigues. You can expect to get into the trenches learning about common and advanced 2D and 3D character design principles, as well as new tips to breaking down your 2D concept while speeding up your ZBrush modeling. This course covers every detail of the character design process, from blocking out the character, to designed anatomy, to modeling and texturing clothing. I'm also including a bonus lesson, Fibermesh. This mega bundle also includes a full intro to hard surface modeling, focusing especially on the zModeler brush and other hard surface modeling techniques. And finally, we will discuss how to pose and bring your model to life, and then prep it for rendering. Here are a few of the other topics we will be covering. This course is great for intermediate to advanced ZBrush users looking to up their skills and knowledge on character design. Happy sculpting!